Welcome to Homework Lib.
So we have the two forces. Let's say one is F1, that is 75 I cap plus 2 J cap, and the other force, let's say F2, that's 150 I cap plus 2 J cap. So both these forces are acting on this object positioned here. So the net force acting on this will be the addition of these two forces. So we can say that the resultant of the force will be F vector, and that will be F1 vector plus F2 vector, and this would be 75 I cap plus 2 J cap, and we add to it 150 I cap plus 2 J cap. So I cap and I cap added together, J cap and J cap added together gives us the net force or the resultant force as 225 I cap plus 4 J cap. So it means that as a result of these two forces acting on the object, a net force of 225 I cap, that means 225 along horizontal axis and 4 newtons along the vertical axis, that is acting on this object. Now let's say we need to find a force F3 which needs to act on this object so that the object is at rest. It does not move. So that can be computed by observing the resultant of these two forces. So we already found that resultant is F vector, and we need to actually apply a force which is having the magnitude exactly equal to this F in the opposite direction. So this will be our required F3. So that will be negative of F, right? So if we apply this F3 equal to negative of F on this object, then although these two forces F1 and F2 are applied, then still the object will be at rest. So yes, we can find out that force F3 by taking the negative of the force vector F. So that will be negative of 225I plus 4J, and this finally gives us the force F3 as minus 225 I cap minus 4 J cap. Okay, so this is our required force.